So hello and welcome. As you can see, blank.grid bullet journal. So this is topic of our new lesson. So we will try to create something like this. As you can see, you can find these types of paper in many books. So this is a code, and it was a little bit quickly, but all what we will need to learn about grid layout is we will use document class article, and we will use two packages. First package, it will be text, and second geometry. So for the learning purpose, I will explain for you something that you can change grid spacing. In this case, you can change dot size, and for example, for this article as A4 size paper, so we can use scaling 1 directly. So, and you can see you can change color, and you can change grid spacing and dot size. It means if this dots, they will be bigger, smaller, and so on. And you can change factor, scaling factor, of course. It means if you will put it under 1, for example, 0.8, it will be smaller grid. And if you will put more like 1 to 1.2 and so on, it will be bigger grid. So you can play with this. You can change all parameters, and it will show you, it will generate for you nice PDF where you can print, you can make your own from this paper, from this document, you can make your own bullet journal. So I hope I pronounce it correctly. So apologize if not. And I hope this tutorial, it was useful for you. So please give me a like, and you can give subscribe my channel to you will know all. So you can see my all new videos at first. So here we have a bigger scaling factor, and as you can see, I put 0.8, and we have a black dots. So I hope you can understand it. So bye everyone.